What is up, Internet? Josh here, and today I'm going to show you how to speed up importing your motion graphics templates into the Essential Graphics panel in Premiere Pro. So when I say motion graphics templates, I'm talking about the .MOGRT files that you can get and import into the Essential Graphics panel in Premiere Pro. And it's a little difficult to get them in, especially if you have a lot of them, unless you know a little trick. Let's take a look. So I am inside the Essential Graphics panel in Premiere Pro. Let's click on Install Motion Graphics Templates. And unfortunately, I can only select one file at a time. I can't Control A, I can't click the first one, Shift click the last one. It's just not going to work. So installing all of these is going to be a huge pain and take a lot of time. So instead, let's cancel that. Let's open up the folder with all of my templates, and I'll go ahead and select all of those and simply click and drag them into the panel. Boom! Just like that. They're all there. They're all there. That was it. That's all you had to do. And you spent so much time importing all of them. I'm sorry. Sorry you had to go through that. Well, that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this Premiere Pro quick tip, be sure to support the channel by giving it a thumbs up, subscribe, and maybe head over to patreon.com/JoshMcDarris and consider becoming a patron. I'll see you next time.